Okay, so examples again for linear transformation. So T mapping from V2 to V2 defined by yesterday problem. T of T1 is like T of 1 minus 1 is like there go. Okay, 1 is on the basis of V2. Find T of xy. T of xy. So if T is mapping from V2 to V2 defined by this like. And second this. Okay, and these are bases here. 1 and 1 is a basis of V2 space. Now question is T of xy I want. Suppose xy space. Suppose complete this xy is alpha times first basis and beta times second basis. First of all, okay, linear combination. Then T of equations x equals to alpha into 1 plus beta. Alpha plus beta is x, y. Second combination alpha minus beta. Just addition x plus y. Beta cancel 2 alpha. So alpha will be x plus y by 2. Subtract x minus y. Subtract them. Now alpha is the answer. Beta plus beta 2 beta. So beta will be x minus y by 2. Okay. So alpha is x plus y by 2. This one. So this is alpha and beta exist. So thus this xy there is alpha times this x plus y by 2. First vector x minus y by 2 and second vector. Now T of this total. Now T is a linear, so alpha outside x plus y by 2 will be outside T of first pair. Beta will be outside and T of second pair. Now T of 1 is known to us, given to you T of 1. Zero, 1, 0, 0. T of 1 minus 1. Simplify. Into 0, 0. Into 1, x minus y by 2. First position. Into 1, x plus y by 2. Plus here 0. Third 0 and 0. Fourth 0 and 0. Okay, therefore T of xy will be x minus y by 2, x plus y by 2, 0 and 0. So this one example. Next example. Get a mapping from V2 to V2 again, two dimension, defined by P of xy is x dash y dash, and there what is x dash is x cos theta minus y sin theta, x dash is, and y dash is x sin theta plus y cos theta. Now question is show that this T mapping is linear mapping. Linear mapping. So show both the points T of x plus y, u plus y, u plus v, and T of alpha v, both the points verify. So let a mapping T mapping from V2 to V2 defined by in this manner. So P of xy is x dash y dash, and x dash is like this like x cos theta minus y sin theta, y dash is x sin theta plus y cos theta. So this like defined P of xy is, okay, to show linear, to show this P is a linear means, okay, 2 point, first point T of u plus v, T of u plus T of v, and second point is a T of alpha u, then alpha outside T of u. So take two vectors, u means suppose say xy pair, and v means suppose say x1 y1 pair. Therefore u plus v will be, addition will be, okay, x plus x1 and y plus y1. Now T of this, T of u plus v is T of this x plus x1, y plus y1. Apply. So T of xy then this like this of x now x plus x1, x plus x1, x means x plus x1 cos theta, y is y plus y1 sin theta, first position, x means x plus x1 sin theta, y is y plus y1 cos theta. Now break, this is multiply first of all, x cos theta, x1 cos theta minus y sin theta minus y1 sin theta, first position, second x sin theta plus x1 sin theta plus y cos theta and y1 cos theta. Open the bracket. Now break xy in a one bracket and x1 y1 in a second bracket. You break in two terms. First one will be T of u, second will be T of v. So xy term x cos theta minus y sin theta, and the second x sin theta plus y cos theta. So xy term in a one bracket, x1 y1 term in a second bracket, x1 cos theta minus y1 sin theta, x1 sin theta plus y1 cos theta. So now see this, okay, x cos theta is okay, is a T of u, T of xy. In case of x here, x1, it is a T of x1 y1, xy is T of u, and x1 is T of v. Okay, so therefore this obviously, so T of u plus v, then T of u plus T of v. First point verified. Now second, T of alpha u. So first one is alpha u, is alpha xy, that is alpha x, alpha y. Now T of alpha u, T of alpha u is T of this alpha x, alpha y. So in case of x, okay, alpha x, alpha x cos theta alpha x cos theta minus alpha y sin theta, first position. Second, x means alpha x sin theta, y means alpha y cos theta. So alpha is common on the first position, x cos theta minus y sin theta. Also alpha common in the second position. Or alpha will be total common. Okay, so alpha outside, this is t of xy. This is standard t of xy. Xy means xy here. This I think u symbol u. Okay, so t of alpha u, then alpha outside t of u. So both the point variable, first point variable, second point variable. So from 1 and 2, we can say T mapping from V2 to V2 defined by is a linear mapping. Next, as a theorem, let U and V are vector spaces. The period and T is a mapping from U to V is a linear mapping. Then prove that first point T of 0 will be 0, second point T of minus U will be minus times T of U, and third T of alpha 1 U1 alpha 2 U2 in this way, alpha n un, then alpha 1 outside T of u1, alpha 2 outside T of u2, in this way alpha m outside T of un. This n times in the theorem. Okay, in the definition only one times, in the definition only one times, but you apply for n times only also. You have alpha u only, alpha u only. So many alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha n in this n times. So good. So let T is a mapping from U to V be a linear mapping. Linear, so you can apply any two definitions and then prove first. So we have T of alpha u is alpha outside T of u, okay, by the definition. Now for the first point, so let alpha as a 0, suppose alpha as a 0, so C of 0 u, 0 into T of u, 0 u 0, 0 into T of u 0, so T of 0 is 0. So for second alpha is minus 1, assume. So T of minus 1 into u is minus 1 and then T of u is minus 1 into u minus u. Minus time T of u is T of u. This is second. Minus times. Okay. Now third. First two obviously one more question. Now n times 2. Okay. So we prove by induction method. Mathematical induction method. We use mathematical induction method. integration करो we know. Okay, alpha equals to 1. Okay, n equals to 1. That means T of alpha 1 u1 is alpha 1 outside T of u1. Yes, this is by definition. Second point obtained here. So for 1, no problem. Now suppose theorem is true for n equal to k, some k. K. That means T of alpha 1 u1, alpha 2 u2 up to alpha k uk, then alpha 1 outside T of u1, alpha 2 outside T of u2. In this way, alpha k outside T of uk for k 2, and show for k plus 1. To show for k plus 1, alpha 1 u1, alpha 2 u2, alpha k uk, alpha k plus 1 uk plus 1. That equals to alpha 1 outside T of u1, alpha 2 outside T of u2. In this way, alpha k outside uk, and alpha k plus 1 uk plus 1. This way, sure. Okay, take this. So T of alpha 1 u1, alpha 2 u2 up to alpha k uk plus alpha k plus 1 uk plus 1. And so we break this part up to k. We break this part up to k. So up to k we know. So this is T of first alpha 1 u1, alpha 2 u2 and alpha k uk plus T of second definition. T of first, T of u and T of v. Now for up to k known to us, up to k known to us, alpha 1 outside T of u1, alpha 2 outside T of u2. In this way, alpha k outside T of u2. For also this is single now vector, alpha k plus 1 outside and T of uk plus 1. Okay, that's good. RHS. You get LHS. Okay, therefore, theorem is true for all integer